Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these very easy long dangle earrings. So let's get started. To make these easy earrings, today I'm going to use brass wire. You could use silver wire or you could use copper wire. And I'm going to use a pencil, and I'll make a mark here on my pencil. So leave a length of wire at the top for finishing it off. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to wind my wire all the way down the pencil. And then I'm going to come back up like that, and then cut that off and slide it off. I'm going to turn this end up so that I can wrap it inside so there won't be a sharp edge. Like that. Cut this shorter and coil it. And center like that. And I have a couple of gold beads, so I'm going to make a dangle. So I just have a short piece of wire, make a loop, center it, place the bead on, cut this shorter, form a loop, and I'm going to attach it to the bottom like that. And I'll do the same thing with this bead. And I'm going to attach that to my top like that. I'm going to attach my ear wire. I'll put a link below on how you can make your own ear wires. And there you have some dangly earrings. And if you don't want them as dangly, you can push this up like that. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make a pair of long dangled wire earrings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.